Good morning, dear students. Last class, I have finished different types of problems from continuity lesson, and I told like all these questions, especially for competitive level examinations questions. And today also, I am going to starting different types of problems for competitive level examination, like KSET, JE, in like those examinations, which types of questions they are going to asking about those today we will discuss. That is, in case of continuity means how we are going to finding unknown value if they can mention about the problem is continuous function. With help of conditions of continuity, then we found values of unknown letters in the given problems. Similarly, in the same way, today also I am going to solving like those questions only. Now let us we are going to starting like those questions now. First question is, if the function f of x is equal to elements 5x minus 4, 5x minus 4, if 0 is less than x is less than or equal to 1, 0 is strictly less than x less than or equal to 1. Next one is 4x square plus 3bx. 4x square plus 3bx. If 1 is strictly less than x is strictly less than 2. 1 is less than x is less than 2 here. Is a continuous function. Is continuous function. Is a continuous function. Then the value of b. Then the value of b is. Then the value of b. Value of small letter b is they're asking. Options they give for this question is first option is -1, second option b is 0, and third option c is 1. The last D is none of this. None of these they mentioned here. None of this. See here, they mentioned it is a continuous function, no doubts. But actually here, they mentioned symbols less than and greater than and is equal to, so different numbers here. 0 between the interval 0 to 2. 0 to which number will come here? 1 has came. Already 1 also they mentioned here. That's why commonly 1 is there now to these two steps. At 1 we must and should take LHL is equal to RHL. Then easily we can get the value of B here. How means I will show now. Let us now start in the solution for this question. Solution to this question is LHL is equal to RHL. LHL is equal to RHL. LHL is limit x is tending to 1. Corresponding to less than symbol, which function is there? We must consider for left hand limit, that is the 5x minus 4. At the same time, RHL is limit x is tending to 1, corresponding to greater than symbol, which function is there? We must consider that function. Here 1 is less than x, nothing but x is greater than 1. That's what we must consider that function for right hands, LH right hand limits. That is the 4x square plus 3bx like this. Now afterwards you remove that limit symbol. When you are going to removing that limit symbol means instead of x we should put x equal to 1 only here. That is 5 into 1 minus 4 is equal to 4 into 1 square plus 3b into 1 like this. 5 into 1, 5 minus 4 is equal to 4 into 1, 4 plus 3b here. 5 minus 4, 1 is equal to 4 plus 3b here. Send 4 this side. It becomes 1 minus 4. There's 1 minus 4 is equal to 3b. Or we can write minus 3 is equal to 3b here. Or we can write 3b is equal to minus 3. Or b is equal to minus 3 by 3. Both are gets cancelled and b is equal to, we can get here minus 1. Now minus 1 is allotted to which option? First option. Therefore first option is the correct answer for this question. Because the mentioned continuous function means commonly that symbol is to which number is there, at that number we must and should take LHL is equal to RHL. By taking that, easily we can get the value of unknown letter b here. By taking this, finally we got the value of b is minus 1. That's why the minus 1 is allotted to first option. No, that's what easily we can tell first option is the correct option for this question. Now let us, we are going to solving another questions. The value of f of x. Second question is the value of f of x. The value of f of x at x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0. Such that the function f of x is equal to 2 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of minus x whole dividing by x. If x is not equal to 0, if x is not equal to 0, is continuous at x equal to 0. Is continuous at x is equal to 0 mentioned. Is continuous at x is equal to 0. Then options they gave. First option is 0. Second option is log 2. Log 2 value they gave here. And third option is 4. And last fourth option D is e to the power of 4. They are asking function value. The value of x at x equal to 0 they are asking. Such that the function f of x is equal to 2 to the power of x minus 2 power minus x whole dividing by x if x is not equal to 0 is continuous at x is equal to 0. They mentioned here the given function is continuous function. But what about the value of function? About that value of function, they gave some values under the options, in all the 4 options they gave. Now we are going to finding a function value or limit value. Or why we are going to find limit value means they mentioned the function is f of x is continuous. That's why directly we can take a limit value is equal to function value. Otherwise, just you have to find out limit value enough for this question. Now let us, I am going to finding limit value. Solution to this question means, limit x is tending to 0. Limit x is tending to 0, 2 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of minus x whole dividing by x. If we can directly we can substitute in place of x as 0, finally we are going to approaching 0 by 0 form here. But we should not get like those forms. In the previous class already I have told also, whenever if you can see that indeterminate forms in that question, in that solution of that question, try to avoid them by applying any one of the operation. In generally, in case of competitive level examinations, we are going to applying LHR, that is left L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule we are going to applying here, because we got here 0 by 0 form. Try to avoid it. Try to avoid it means we must and should take with help of L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule means we must take differentiation to both the numerator and denominator separately or individually. I will show you now how we are going to take about that. This limits x is tending to 0. D by dx of 2 power x is 2 power x into log 2 minus d by dx of 2 power minus x is 2 power minus x into log 2, and again minus x differentiation is minus 1, that is already minus there, minus of minus becomes plus, whole dividing by x, d by dx of x is 1. I have taken differentiation with respect to x to both numerator and denominator here. It is equal to, then afterwards you apply the variable x tends to 0. No, in place of variable x we must and should substitute 0 here. 2 power 0 into log 2 plus 2 power minus 0 into log 2 whole dividing by 1 here. That is 2 power 0 is 1 and 2 power minus 0 is also 1, that is 1 log 2 log 2 plus log 2. Totally we have log 2 plus log 2 is 2 log 2. 2 log 2 means here in second option I did not try to know, just should write 2 here, not 1. Now we got 2 log 2 in case of second option. The 2 log 2 is the correct answer for this question. That is the 2 log 2 is the value of the function at x is equal to 0. That's what here second option is the correct option for this question. Like that we are solving this question. Now let us, we are going to solving another question. Third question is, the function f of x is equal to, the function f of x, the function f of x is equal to log of 1 plus ax, log of 1 plus ax minus log of 1 minus bx log of 1 minus bx whole dividing by x is defined at x is equal to 0 is defined at x equal to 0, then the value of which but here you should write where x is not equal to 0 here. But defined at x is equal to 0 is defined at x is equal to 0. The value which should be the value which should be assigned to f at x is equal to 0 such that at x is equal to 0 such that it is continuous. It is continuous. It is continuous at x is equal to 0 is they mentioned like this. Under that they give some options here. First option is log a plus log b. Next second option is 0. Third option is says a minus b. The last fourth option D is a plus b here. See here. It is also they mentioned as a continuous function at x equal to 0. But which type of condition will come to this question with the help of that continuous function problem? The mentioned continuous means directly we can find out limit value only. At the same time directly we can take limit is equal to function also. But they did not give function value directly here. But they mentioned the given function f of x is a continuous function. When they mentioned the given function f of x is continuous function means directly we can take its limit value enough to this question. Now let us we are going to finding limit value for this question now. Solution to this question is limits x is tending to 0 log of 1 plus ax minus log of 1 minus bx whole dividing by x here. If you can directly put 0 in place of x, it is approaches to 0 by 0 form here. See here, if you can put 0 here, log 1. If you can put 0 here, it is also becomes log 1. Logarithm of 1 is always equal to 0 only. 0 minus 0 becomes 0. And in place of x down, in place of denominator, that is in place of x, if we can put 0, then finally we are going to getting a 0 by 0 form. But we should not get like those forms in case of evaluation of limits. But try to avoid them. Means we have to apply LHR. LHR means El Hospital rule like this. Limit x is tending to 0. Limit x is tending to 0. D by dx of 1 plus x log of 1 plus x is 1 by 1 plus x, and again x difference is a only, that is a, minus d by dx of 1 minus bx is 1 by 1 minus bx. At the same time differentiation of minus bx is minus b. Already minus is there. That's what we can write here plus b. Whole dividing by d by dx of x is 1. Then afterwards you can apply limits. If you can apply limit here, See here, we are going to solving this a by 1 plus 0 plus b by 1 minus 0 is equal to, otherwise we can write here a by 1 plus b by 1, and finally we are getting here a by 1 means a, b by 1 means b. That's why a plus b is the correct answer. Now a plus b is allotted to last fourth option D. That's why D option is the correct option for this question. That's why a plus b is the function value. It's a function value or limit value. We can mention two values for that a plus b. Why we are going to mention the two values for a plus b means they mentioned in the question f of x is a continuous function. Based on that condition only, directly we found that limit value here. Next let us, we are going to solving another questions. Next question, sir. If f of x is equal to, if f of x is equal to log x whole dividing by x minus 1, if x is not equal to 1, k, if x is equal to 1 is continuous at x is equal to 1, then the value of k is, then the value of k is, then the value of k is options. First option 0, second option 1 minus 1, third option plus 1, and last fourth option e, like this. Is continuous they mentioned here. Is continuous they mentioned means directly we can take here limit value is equal to function value. Solution to this question is, limit value is equal to function value. Limit value is equal to function value. Function value here. Limit value is limit x is tending to 1. Limit x is tending to 1. F of x is log x whole dividing by x minus 1 is equal to function value is correspond is equal symbol, which value is there you must take that, it is k here. See here in case of left hand side, if we can put in place of x as 1, it is approaches to 0 by 0 form. But we should not get like those forms in the case of evaluation of the limits here. Now try to avoid those means we have to apply L'Hospital rule in the competitive level examinations. Now I am going to applying L'Hospital rule in case of left hand sides. It is limit x is tending to 1. Limit x is tending to 1, d by dx of log x is 1 by x whole dividing by d by dx of x is 1 and d by dx of independent constant 1 is 0 here is equal to k. That is limit x is tending to 1, limit x is tending to 1 by x is equal to k. Then afterwards we can substitute in place of x as 1 here. That is 1 by 1 is equal to k. 1 by 1 can be written as 1 is equal to k. Or we can write k is equal to 1 also to this. That's why finally we got the answer for k, or the value for k is 1. Now we can observe all the options. The option C, the third option C have the value is 1. That's what? Third option is the correct option for this question. Like that we are finding the value of k here. All these questions year-wise they asked. In the previous years, they asked like all these questions in competitive level examinations. Now I am going to solving another questions. Fifth question next. The function f maps from or minus 0 non-zero real number to real number 2 can be made continuous f of x given by f of x is equal to 1 by x minus 2 by e to the power of 2x e to the power of 2x minus 1 can be made a continuous function at x is equal to 0 by defining f of 0 as they're asking here, function value they're asking here, because f of 0 means is equal to limit value only. Why we are going taking limit value means they mentioned here f of x is a continuous function. Now we are going to solve, giving the solution to this question is consider limit x is tending to 0. Consider limits x is tending to 0. F of x is 1 by x minus 2 by e to the power of 2x minus 1. 0 they are asking. See, if you can directly substitute 0 here, it is approaches to infinity minus infinity. It is also indeterminate term. 1 by 0 infinity, 2 by e power 0 becomes 1, 1 minus 1 0, that is 2 by 0. 2 by 0 also infinity. Some finite value by 0 is always becomes infinity. That's what finally we got. Infinity minus infinity means it is also an indeterminate term. Now to remove that is to avoid that indeterminate term, we must and should apply L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule means differentiation with respect to x to both terms. Say here, limit x is tending to 0. D by x of 1 is, otherwise you can simplify like this also. Simplify like this first. E power 2x minus 1 minus 2x whole dividing by x into e power 2x minus x like this. I have taken LCM to these two fractions. Now limit x is tending to 0. Take a differentiation with respect to x. E power 2x differentiation is the 2 into e power 2x. D by x of 1 is 0. Limit minus d by x 2x is 2 here. Whole dividing by. Now x into e power 2x. Product rule. D by x of u into v. Product x into d by x of e power 2x is 2 e power 2x plus v into e power 2x into d by x is 1. Limit minus d by x is 1 here. Then afterwards you can apply limit here. E power 0, 1, 2 minus to 0. Here also 0 will come. 0. Once again 0 by 0 form. Once again we are getting 0 by 0 form means, and again we have to apply L'Hospital rule. See here, if you can put 0 here, e power 0, 1, that is 1 into 2, 2 minus to 0. This term 0, e power 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. And again we are getting a 0 by 0 form. And that is when you are getting 0 by 0 form means, once again we are going to applying a L'Hospital rule here. Limits x is tending to 0. D by dx of 2 e power 2x is 2 e power 2x, already 2 is there, 4 e power 2x. 0 whole dividing by d by dx of independent constant 0 and 2 into here 2x e power 2x x into 2 e power 2x plus e power 2x plus 2 e power 2x minus 1 is 0, it is 0. Then you have to apply 0 here. 4 e power 0 means 1, that is 0 only, 1 will come here. 2 into 0, this become term 0, this term becomes 0. Next e power 0 is 1 plus e power 0 is 1, 1 into 2 here is equal to here 4 by 0 plus 1, 1 into 2, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. On gets cancellations, answer becomes 1 here. Options value is, I did not write options here. Options here I am going to writing. First option they gave here 0. Second option they gave here 1. Third option they gave here 2. And last fourth option they gave here minus 1 for this question. Now we got answer is 1 no. That 1 is allotted to second option. That's what here second option is the correct option for this question. B is equal to 1. Here first time we applied L'Hospital rule, we did not get answer directly. And again we got 0 by 0 form. Try to cancel that 0 by 0 form, and again we have to apply L'Hospital rule. And finally we got one number 1 here. Like that we are solving this question. Like that today I have finished all these competitive examinations in case of continuity. Next class onwards, from next class also we will solve some different types of questions in the lesson continuity, and how to apply L'Hospital rule to some different types of questions. About those also we will discuss on next class. Thank you very much.